guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we will do a Surya Namaskar, and I have spotted a new place to make this video, and that's my room. So let's begin, but I want to tell you something, that when you do it now, you have to do it before you do yoga. So let's begin. So first we have to join our hands like this, and then go back as much we can, and then you have to go down, touching our toes. If you can touch the floor, you can, and then bend one of your leg, and one leg should be straight. I'll show you a little bit so that you look. Then you have to look up. Then you have to make a bridge pose like this, and you have to look down at your toes, and if you can touch your full leg down, then you can. That's very nice. You're stretching your whole body. Then we have to put our chin down like this. I can show you like this, and your bum should be up. And then you have to go in a cobra pose. Make a bridge pose again. One leg forward, and it should come in your both hands, between your both hands like this. And if it's not coming, so then you can also, what you can do, you can use your hand and make it forward. And guys, I forgot to tell you that you can also bend your other leg like this. But I want to do like this. And then we'll go in this pose again, touching our toes. Go back. Now we'll do it fast. And we will. So let's do it fast. So we're going to do 4 rounds, and 1 round represents 2. So in total there are 8. So let's begin. We will do it. You have to do it with me. Sorry, and then one leg forward, bridge pose, knee just chin down, bumps up, cobra pose, bridge pose, one leg forward, second leg forward, back, second time, next round, sorry. So we are in 2 rounds, 2 more rounds left. So don't do it, because you already know how to do Surya Namaskar. And please subscribe my channel, and please give a thumbs up. Bye.